A big hello to all you lovely viewers and welcome back to Tech2, where you get to know all about the latest and greatest smart tech products in the market. Today we are here to take you through an awesome smartphone by Realme, the Realme 5i. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here's the first look. The 6.2 inches Realme 5i smartphone comes with a high-definition capacitive multi-touch touchscreen that is quite an appealing first impression. The shiny display inspired by sun's rays spans almost edge to edge and has a water drop notch at the top that houses the selfie camera. While holding the phone, it feels really sleek and tall due to its narrow frame of 0.9 centimeters and a lightweight design that makes it very handy. It measures 16.4 by 7.5 by 0.9 in height, length and thickness and weighs 182 grams only. Specifications. The large 6.5-inch screen has an HD display with 1600 into 720 pixels resolution, a 269 ppi pixel density and 16.7 color support for the best ever visual experience. It features an in-display fingerprint sensor that makes it quite convenient for you to unlock. Powered by Android V9 Pie operating system with 2 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 AIE octa-core processor for a smooth performance all day long. Performance. The phone is equipped with the most superior cameras for all those who love taking pictures. The 12 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front-facing camera work wonders even in low light conditions, delivering clear and crisp selfies in just about any surrounding. The phone provides 64 GB of ROM with memory expandable up to 256 GB and has 4 GB of RAM to ensure seamless performance. Provides a powerful 5000 mAh battery and a host of connectivity options like a dual SIM, Nano plus Nano dual standby, 4G plus 4G, GPS, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities to indulge in an unlimited immersive entertainment. Now the reason to buy. The Realme 5i delivers a power-packed performance with top-notch features and camera design, all at a wallet-friendly budget. So if this is all what you have been on the lookout for, then guys, you must consider this appealing product. So it's goodbye from us and we'll be back soon with the latest and greatest tech products.